Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your name to a red color. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and if you have Stumble Guys on your phone, that will be great. But if you don't, you will need to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. So once you actually did that, all you need to do, just go and open it. But first of all, let me just tell you, if you're interested on playing Stumble Guys on your PC like I'm doing right now, you will need to go and check one of our videos in the channel on how to go and play it on your PC. So of course, if you are done, just go and open the Stumble Guys game. So of course, as you can see, the game opens super fast for me, so don't panic or anything. I already had it open, but for you, you'll need to wait a bit until it loads and until it logged in into your account. So of course, once you like logged in and everything, if games load and everything, you will find yourself here at this home or at this main screen. So if you want to change your name and make it red, all you need to do, just go to the top left corner and click add your name right here. Of course, if it's your first time, you'll find this player and like some random letters here. But for you, just go and click at the pen icon here. And for me, I'm just going to show you how to make it to red. So simply write what I'm going to write. Make sure to do the exact same thing. So as you can see, don't look at this. As you can see, it's now empty. And here I'm actually writing something, because when I was writing, it was writing, but when I finish it, it's actually gone now. So simply now, what I need to do is just click a simple space and now write whatever you want your name to be. So for me, as an example, I want my name to be like this. As you can see, now it's on red. So simply I'll need to click add this free and it will change my name, because you have the option to change your name once for free. So for me, if you like, as you can see, deleted anything of this, you'll not be able to change your color. So as you can see, if I add this, if it's right there, color equal red, and make sure to do these columns as well. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.